Hey guys, in this video tutorial I will walk you through how you can actually file a claim with Hippo Home Insurance. Step 1. File an official report. If someone broke into your home, stole your electronics, damaging your property in the process, you'd need to call the police and file a report. Make sure to get a copy of the information to give to your insurance provider, as they'll need to see an official document that breaks down what damage occurred and any other relevant details. If the damage is unrelated to criminal activity, you won't need to get a police report before calling your provider and filing a claim. Step 2. Give your home insurance provider a call. Let your provider know about the damage sooner rather than later to avoid any potential issues down the line. To begin the claim process, contact both your home insurance provider and your mortgage lender, if you have one, that is, to let them know about the damage and how it occurred. Your insurance agent will be able to give you a rundown on coverage levels, documents needed, and how to go about filing your claim and getting the help you need. Step 3. Document the damage. Next, you'll need to document all the damage to send proof to your insurance provider. Take plenty of pictures and videos showing the damage from different angles, use other items to provide scale, and write down the approximate date and time the damage occurred. If you took a home inventory when you first moved in, you can refer to that document or your home inventory app to make estimates about how much each damaged item costs. If you don't have a home inventory, you can do some research online to find approximate costs, though your insurance provider may determine a different price point. Step 4. Mitigate existing damage. After you've documented the damage, you'll need to take steps to stop the damage from spreading. This could include mopping up standing water to keep mold from forming or covering up wall damage to prevent rain or critters from entering your home. Stopping the damage from spreading is essential because your insurance provider may not cover additional damage that you could have easily prevented. In addition, it's just a smart move, as protecting the rest of your home and your belongings will prevent any more of your hard-earned money from being wasted. Step 5. Complete all required forms. Once you've contacted your insurance provider, they will begin drawing up the paperwork, like a proof of loss form, for you to complete to get the claim process started. Filling out those forms and sending through the police report and any pictures or videos you took quickly is crucial to getting your claim approval process moving and settled within a timely manner. Step 6. Meet with an insurance adjuster. The next step in the claims process is meeting with an insurance adjuster. An adjuster is someone hired by your insurance company to investigate the damage and determine how much it will cost to settle the claim. The insurance adjuster will assess the damage, pore over all the documents, and interview the homeowners and any witnesses if need be. This process helps the adjuster determine what or who is at fault, and if there is coverage for the damage under your policy. You can prepare for your meeting with the adjuster by gathering all the necessary documents beforehand and notifying any witnesses about the meeting so they can be there and provide a third-party opinion. Step 7. Get an estimate for repairs. Though your insurance provider will conduct their own research into how much it will cost to repair any damage or replace your belongings, it's also a good idea to get your own estimates as well. This will ensure you receive enough money to cover the costs and that you are working with a decent contractor. Before settling your claim, consider getting several quotes from licensed contractors or appraisal experts and give these estimates to your insurance provider as proof of cost. Step 8. Settle your claim and schedule repairs. The final step in your claim process is to settle the claim. Settling refers to an official closing on the claim, when both parties have agreed to the payout amount. Once the claim is settled, you'll receive a check from your insurance company to complete the repairs within a specified amount of time. Once you receive the check, get your repairs scheduled soon to avoid any issues with the payment. THATS IT, and thanks. I will catch you all in the next video.